Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kiana, and today I'm going to be making a Dutch baby is what it's called. I don't really even know what it is, but I'm gonna try to make it. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. The first thing we have to do is preheat the oven to 425. This recipe will also be linked in the description box below. Next, you'll need to get out a 9x13 inch pan and a stick of butter. After that, you'll want to put it into the oven and melt the butter. Then you'll want to beat 5 eggs at a high speed in your blender for 1 minute. Then you'll gently want to add in a half teaspoon of salt. Then 1 1/4 cup of flour. After that, you want to add 1 1/4 cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Then you'll want to blend it for 30 more seconds. After that, you want to pour your batter slowly into the melted butter. Then place it in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You can serve it warm and you can top it with powdered sugar and maple syrup. It makes enough for around 5 adults. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!